You're fine, you're fine. It's just a hook. You're fine.
How dare you! Don't touch me!
Busa. Busaha.
Orderly. What is it?
I have been calling you.
And now I have answered you. What is it?
Busa, are you sure you're alright? Because you've been acting strange since we left you at the stream.
Orderly. Stick to the matters that concern you and stay away from mine! Have you heard me?
Busa!
What are you trying to do? What are you trying to do? Orderly, try me! Try me next time! I swear by the gods! Agami Busa de Tibala!
Busa!
My king, you called.
You know me very well. And you know what I like. Why would you bring me what I do not like?
What angers you, my king? What?
Why would you bring me a man whose manhood cannot even stand?
My king, I'm very sorry. He is to get married very soon. So, I was of the opinion that he would be a strong man. I'm very sorry.
The agony some women go through in the hands of men. Cut off his manhood.
My king?
Yes, and his head too.
We must remain underground and extremely careful.
That's right. I'm already in communion with the spirit of my father.
Yes. Why didn't I think of this all this while? I forgot you could communicate with them. Tabu, you must find out all we need to know.
King Iwe is very strong. Her powers are beyond what we see. She is highly fortified.
And no man born of a woman can kill her. You see? You see? That was why I said we cannot fight her. My brother Ejide, in battles like this, thinking of things you need without considering things you do not need is the first step to defeat. Yes. Think of swords, shields, spears and clubs without first considering the weapons that you need to do away. The needed weapon turns useless.
And what is it we don't need?
Fear.
I see she has no fear.
Who do you speak of, my king?
That old midwife who goes about encouraging people against bringing the placenta of their young.
Give your orders, my king, and it shall be carried out at once.
I do not want her dead yet. I hear it was she who guided me into this world. Take the girls. I want to see her.
As my king pleases. police here.
Who is that? Huh?
Is it finally my turn? The king summons you.
I guess I have no chance to decide if to go or not.
You have a chance at choice, but have none to the punishment a wrong choice could bring to you.
Take this old woman.
Ne, what's going on here?
What are you doing here?
I think the question should be, what do you want here?
Never mind. Take her, let's go.
Take who? Where? What has she done?
Never mind. It's none of your business. We are here for her, not you.
If you must take her, then you must take me too.
Oh.
My son, you don't have to do this. I will be fine. No?
No, Ne. I can't risk it. If you must take her, then I am coming with you as well.
Then if you insist, then I shall take both of you together.
Move, all of us. Move. Move, woman! Move it.
So you are the one instigating people to flaunt my orders.
I don't rule the minds of others.
Don't. Please don't.
How dare you?
My king, on the outside, we see a villain, a tough-skinned woman. But deep inside lies a beautiful spirit, yearning to be free from all impediments. And
I instructed you to bring this woman. Who is this? And what is he doing here?
My king, he was with her. He stood in the way of taking her.
Some gods. Take him to my chambers at once.
My king, I suggest we keep him somewhere else for now.
What do you mean by that? Why?
My king, as we speak, there is a man in your chambers and 2 others waiting for their turn. I suggest we keep him in the empty room close to the barn. My king.
All right, take him to the empty room then.
move!
And as for you, what has saved you is your presence at my birth. If I hear any more complaints about you, you might not be lucky the second time.
I saved you today before the king. I do not know what made me solicit for you. Who are you?
I may not know who I am. But what is worse is knowing who you are and allowing yourself to be whom you do not know.
What are you talking about?
You see? You're a real woman after all. That still doesn't change the fact that you just got blown away like ashes over the touch of a man.
Mind the words that come out from your mouth.
Even if I am scared of every other person in this place, I can never be scared of the Lily I now see in you. You see? Now you want to smile like a man who has just been served a plate of uwa.
Dikeh, must you say all this to make me laugh?
Have I told you that the slap you gave me the other day followed me to my heart like a shadow? In fact, I was so carried away by your beauty that I had to pluck the slap out of my face. And I hung it on the wall in my heart so that every morning when I wake up, I'll just look at it and how dare you?
Stop it!
Be mindful of this kind of laughter. This is the kind of laughter that can make someone fat involuntarily.
Are you serious? Stop!
You asked me to undo the sickness and I did.
I ordered you.
Iwe.
King Iwe.
Why are you delaying what ought to be? A marriage between the both of us would be a fusion of powers that will make us impenetrable.
I have no time for men and marriages.
But you have as many men as you can in your chambers.
Something you have no right to talk about. Get out of this palace at once.
Why do I have these feelings that you always want to end our conversation by asking me to leave your presence? Do you really think that that would discourage me?
Get out of this palace at once or I raise the sword of authority against you.
The same sword that has been desecrated.
Mogeko, do not try my patience.
Dikeh, today is the happiest day of my life. What have you done to me? I can't believe I'm doing this. I can't
Bosa!
My king.
What has come over you? What are you doing?
I'm sorry, my king.
Really funny to see a female king.
What did you say?
Huh? I haven't said anything.
I said, what did you say?
Okay, I said something about a female and a king. But it was a good thing I said now. Huh? My king, the flies are perched on your leg. Don't mind me, my king. I think I'm beginning to be intimidated by your presence and beginning to say useless things.
That is because you are a very useless person.
Chai! My king, don't do this to yourself now. How can you say you are a king over a useless person? Okay, if you say I am useless, let me show you one useful part of me. Well, yeah.
As long as I intend to keep you. You know, you were so good in the art. I want to keep you here for so long. Leave here at once. Wise one.
What have you done?
Wise one.
You have done the most dreadful thing. The rule is no laughter on your face. Put laughter on your face.
What have I done? What? No! 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 Get me the prisoner. Now. On your knees!
My king.
Will you slay me for causing your heart to change?
One more word from you and I will make your death the most miserable. My king! Please.
Spare him, for he brought laughter into your life. Your life and your powers are now tied to his blood. If one drop of his blood falls on the land, your weaknesses shall be exposed, and your downfall will begin. Guard him jealously. Don't let any harm come to him.
Even the strong also cry.
I was told you sent for me, my king.
You should greet your king first.
My king, because you are a great king, a king in whom the totality of masculine and feminine greatness is domiciled, I shall not just greet you, but I shall greet you in a special way. My king.
Must all your actions elicit laughter?
My king, laughter is the rhythm of life, and to laugh is to live.
Speak.
Thank you, my king.
No one seems to know exactly who you are and where you are from.
My king, everyone, including myself, doesn't seem to know exactly from where Namzidam comes.
Beautiful name.
Thank you, my king. My king, you know they say names have a way of affecting people. I'm very sorry, my king. I didn't intend to spite you with my words. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
It's okay. I hope they gave you something to eat.
My king, if you see the kind of food they gave me, in fact, they gave me the best meal I have had in my entire life.
Hey. Okay. I shall take you on a walk.
Okay.
There is something I'm still trying to figure out about you. I brought you before this sacred tree because I hold you as a special guest. Could you just make it easier for me by telling me everything I need to know about you?
My king, how I wish I can get you curious every day.
What do you mean by that?
You see, your curiosity towards knowing everything about me has revealed your true nature. A calm lady who rules as king. Deeply compassionate. Just like a virgin.
That's a ridiculous thing to say. You see me as a virgin?
But of course, why else will you bring me under this tree? Udala tree of Aniakali. The same tree that protects the virginity of our virgins. My king, you can only tell me one thing, that you are a virgin.
Can you just stop all this and tell me what I need to know about you?
My king, you see, I like the smile in your face. And if telling you everything about me is a way through which I can sustain this smile, then I shall tell you everything about me.
Vigam.
Oh, the fierce one with a good heart.
You always have something to say. I have really missed your company.
How can you say you have missed my company, when I have remained in this palace as an imprisoned free man?
I have come for you to bring forth the laughter in me.
Yeah. Okay. Let me ask you.
What is... okay. Do you know the difference between a dead goat and a living goat?
Now, what kind of question is that? Alright, I'll answer you. A living goat is alive, while the dead goat has no life in it. Is there any other difference?
Think, my dear Buso, think.
What do you want me to think about? There's nothing to think.
Okay, let me ask you another question. How many legs does a dead goat have?
Why all these questions about goat? Okay. A dead goat has 4 legs, while the living one equally has 4 legs. But wait, let me ask you. Why all these questions? Are you interested in goat meat?
No. But you see...
Go, sir.
I need you to go somewhere with Orderly and one baby.
They can go alone.
I insist you go with them. I want to be with him. What's wrong with you?
Maybe I also want to be with him.
Your Majesty, your countenance is not friendly at all. I notice you've been moody all day. Please, confide in us. What troubles you, my king? We live with you here in this palace. We've been through thick and thin together. Tell us what troubles you, my king.
Buso, I sent for you same time I sent for both of them.
It doesn't matter the time he sends for me. I am here now.
You dare not talk to me with such impunity. Whatever it is that has taken over you, purge yourself of it. Else, it will lead you to your end.
You have everything. You have the throne. You are the revered and the respected one. You have everything you've ever wanted. Every strong man you desire in this community ends up in your chambers. And now, the only man whose music my spirit is beginning to dance to, you also desire him for yourself.
We are not supposed to fall in love with anyone here.
And what are you doing?
Protecting him.
The only person one needs to be protected from in this our Aniakali is you.
If you do not stop this madness, I shall unleash terror on you.
And if you do not allow me to have my own, I got me Busogala.
So, you were trying to tell me something back there. I'm all ears.
Why are you behaving like you don't know what I'm trying to say? That young man represents something. And whatever it is that he represents, it is not something we want in this palace now. We don't need him.
I think I'm beginning to understand what you're trying to say. But you know the king. She sees him as something special. So there's nothing you would say that would make her feel otherwise.
Oh, darling, But darling, why are you behaving as if you don't know the power of confrontation? Listen, that young man has no right to come here and cause this kind of misunderstanding between us. No!
And I am going to confront him. I will do it now.
Oh, come on, Wamade. That will amount to making him feel relevant. Take a good look at him. Is he worth the stress? Is he worth the attention?
As I stand in my company and seek to delve into the zonal triangle where devil mates with the king, there is a missing link, for I have not seen the angel of darkness. Something is wrong. Speak to me. I see. She has accepted my proposal and sent you to a folk.
Why are you looking like someone who was attacked by a raving madman?
The greater attack shall come to you if you and I do not form a coalition at once.
Speak in clear terms.
The gazelle you seek is willingly straying to the path of another hunter.
It's only a foolish child that would forget that if he put his hands into the mouth of a raving mad dog, it would end up as the meat for the dog. Tell me, you were joking.
The king is dancing to the tune of a music of a man. He wouldn't want anybody to come close to him. He wouldn't spend a moment without him. Mogeko, you and I need each other now. The man that is taking the heart of the king further away from you is the man my heart beats for. I wouldn't want anyone to take him away from me. I want to wrestle him away from her. And once that is done, then she will entirely be up for you to take. I shall fight them to finish!
She smiled. She laughed.
First, you were kept in a private prison, different from other prisoners.
And you caused our king laughter.
And then you schemed your sleazy ways into the heart of Buso the tigress. She who has no heart for any man.
Now you have brought discord between our king and our sister.
If my crime is bringing joy and laughter, then I am terribly sorry. But if it is not, will I be asking for too much if I ask what exactly my crime is?
What was that for?
That is to tell you that we have our eyes on you.
And we will not fail to destroy you if the need arises. Be one!
Land of my father.
My fury is burning like a furnace.
It will kill if it bursts. What are you both telling me? That a man I placed under your watch in this palace is nowhere to be found? And both of you are not saying anything meaningful? My king!
Do not allow this young man come in between.
Oh, Dali! Don't tell me that! You do not know how important that man is to me.
He couldn't have been more relevant than we are, my king.
Even before we retired to bed last night, he was in this palace.
Yes, and in line with your instructions, we served him well. He ate well, something very delicious, and he had the best of all.
That was because I wanted him to be comfortable so he can remain here.
Where is he now? Where is he? Where is he?
Oh, I believe he's not missing my king.
I share same faith with her. Do not be worried, for he shall return back to this palace to us.
I mean, to you.
Just pray he comes back. Just pray.
Out of the way!
Father, let's go. My son, you must go back. You must go back.
No, Father. I don't think I can go back. The evil that has taken over that land is greater than it seems.
Zigam, evil can never prevail over good. But Father, let me share this with you. A great favor has to be repaid. A young man appeared from nowhere and rescued my life. In fact, he risked his own life.
I still don't understand what you are talking about, Father.
Young wizards like myself, we have been hunted. I was escaping from the forces sent by the king.
Flash off. Continue.
A young man dressed in royalty appeared from nowhere and rescued my life.
My friend, I don't know the reason why I saved your life today. To me, you don't look like a wizard, but a young man who doesn't deserve to die. That path leads to the land of your birth. You have to leave now and never return.
But the maiden I want to marry.
Don't worry about her. I shall arrange for her to meet you over there. But first, you must leave. Now!
Thank you, my friend.
It is okay.
In a long, long time to come, when you shall reign as a king, there shall a great wind of terror blow across your land. By this sun, picked on this land on which I stand on, I do vow to help you in return for this great favor which you show me this day.
That man that saved my life was King Obiakor, son of Obiakor, son of Obiakale. You were the promise made to him. That is why I called you Nam Zigam. My father sent me.
Father,
own life is at risk too.
Zigam, don't forget who you are. No harm can reach you. You must go and complete your mission.
Father, her powers are insurmountable. She cannot be destroyed.
Shut your eyes.
I am going back to Anyakali, the land of my birth.
Oh!
Give me my son! Give me my son!
Mahoro, you can go wherever, but definitely not with my sons. Agunya, Biao. Agumapia.
Wakwe, I said, you are not taking this boy away from me.
Agunya, Biao. Rise. Zigam. Ona bonye na yazilori. Ulo wele kubo bawozo. If I'm you were Obiakor, and I'm not Lola. I'm a bungu. I'm a Madrianko. Go. Go and complete your mission. Go, my son. Anyakali needs you. Go and complete your mission.
Ona bonga na chijo do wele ya kogo. Omume bungu egwu no mma ya dere yanko. Ele na agba iso kana agba nkwu. Ona meniru eno na azo na mena azo no niru. Go. Anyakali needs you.
God of our fathers, protector of Anyakali, what we embark is not an evil mission. We seek your wisdom. We seek your guidance. Anyakali has gone under intense evil. Help us save our land. What shall we do? For we are confused. Tabo, any message yet? Tabo, you need to understand the importance of this mission. You're the only one that has the gift of seeing. And I know you are seeing beyond the physical. Please, can you tell us what you see?
No man born of a woman can overcome King Iwe. She is shielded by a high level of sorcery.
What? Sorcery? Are we back to the age of sorcery?
Hey, Anyakali is faced with something greater than it.
Nothing is greater than Anyakali. Something must be done.
Huh? Yes again?
Yes.
But you just heard him say King Iwe cannot be destroyed by any man.
There is a way. She is currently leashed to a young man, and she can only be weakened by the blood of this young man.
And who is this young man?
Zigam, the stranger.
Brothers, we have what we seek. What are we still waiting for? Let's go and seize him at once.
You're right.
No. You're right. He journeyed to the land of his fathers. And as we speak, he's on his way back.
Then let's...
If we wait at the boundary stream, I am sure we shall see him.
Then let's wait no more.
Let's go.
Let's go.
What is going on?
The bird which the mother eagle went out to hunt, it's now on its way to hunt the eaglet.
Obiakor, say something I can understand.
Zigam, the stranger, is on his way back.
On his way back? From where? I thought he has been with the king all this while.
I must leave at once.
I come with you.
No, because your emotions will stand against my mission. I can smell the stench of your emotions all around you.
Please do not harm him.
What nonsense! Both of you were supposed to guard the entire palace.
But my king,
One more word from you and I will raise the sword of authority against you.
Your Majesty, that's going to the extreme.
What do you mean by going to the extreme?
My king, raising the sword of authority is very dangerous. Does that mean that our lives are of no importance to you?
If anything happens to him, if one drop of his blood spills, trust me, it will mark the end of both of you.
Why put yourselves through all this to lay your hands on the wrong man? Killing a poisonous ant the wrong way is as good as not killing it at all. Come on, great sons of Ini Edo. A man who seeks to defend his root is indeed a noble man.
Zigam! They say you hold the key.
Embarking on a journey the wrong way only leads to the essence of the mission being lost.
What do you mean? I say, what do you mean?
Come with me. I shall tell you all you need to know.
Let's go.
You must let me go in first.
And why must we trust you?
Did you come to the land of my fathers to take me? Do you think I am here because you have overpowered me?
What you have asked?
I am here of my own accord. I am back in Ini Edo because my mission is incomplete.
Mission?
I am the only one who can save your land from the hold of great sorcery.
a ridiculous thing to say. You see me as a virgin?
But of course. Why else will you bring me under this tree? Odala tree of Ini Akali. The same tree that protects the virginity of our virgins. My king, you can only tell me one thing. That you are a virgin.
There is something so unique about that guy. Why couldn't they keep him from me?
She doesn't seem like she's ever gonna be calm until she finds him.
You brought this idea of threatening him in the first place.
How do you mean?
Maybe if we hadn't threatened him, he wouldn't have run away.
Oh, so you blame it on me? We both agreed. It was high time we confronted him and told him that we're not happy about the enmity he brought between us.
No, Wambede. I didn't suggest that. It wasn't my suggestion. It was yours.
But Ali, why are you behaving like this? We should concern ourselves about him and where he is or whatever had happened to him.
What else happened to him? We threatened him. He became afraid. And like a coward, he ran away.
Okay, just so you know, if you let the king hear about this, you will stand in it alone. I will so deny you.
What?
How are you so sure that he ran away? Maybe Busot came here and took him away.
Once I am able to get her to her weak state, then you can come. But be wary. That is where the main battle lies. The strength of the sorcery guiding King Hero is as a wind, able to uproot even the mightiest Oji.
We have heard what you have said. Zigam, do not betray this trust. May Akaliochi go with you.
Await my signal.
Let us go and wait.
She comes from the land of the gods. She is the chosen one. Her powers have no end.
I know you can see me. I know you can hear me. Come. 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 From the world beyond, I know you can see me. I know you can hear me. Come, come, come. Why have you forsaken me? Why do you not answer? From the land beyond,
I know you can see me. I know you can hear me. Come! 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 Why do you abandon me? Show yourself!
Lahim Lahar.
I
found him.
I can't find him.
Finding the fish is not the problem. The fish has become more venomous than the scorpion. Lahim Lahar.
What do you seek? Stay out of my path. The urgency of my journey does not give me room to introduce myself to everyone I meet. Stay out of my path. Mogeku, stay out of my path.
The stranger is even bold enough to mention my name.
I must get to my destination without a drop of my blood spilled.
Let's see. No one stands in the way of an angered wizard.
How did you get that map?
Speak! Is that what you want to concern yourself with now? brother.
You are my brother, my own blood. And it's obvious to me that you are on a mission. But what I don't understand is why you are working against the plan.
How do you mean?
What is your mission? Is it not revenge?
Revenge? Of what revenge do you speak?
Revenge for the death of my mother. Our mother!
Father told me she left with you while you were...
Yes. But she returned back to the land of her birth. The only way they could welcome her was to kill her. That's why I await each day to see Anyakali suffer immensely for what they did to our mother. And I will stop at nothing for my quest for revenge. But what I don't understand is why you are working against this mission. I want to marry the king. A marriage of her ruthlessness and my wickedness would make Anyakali suffer permanently for what they did.
My brother, it is you who is fighting against the true mission. And you have let your anger cloud your inner sight for too long. Be calm, my brother.
Jiribia, why do you want to do this?
Why did you return from your husband's place? To challenge me?
Challenge you for what? Is Anyakali no longer the land of my birth?
Your return spells danger. I can see it in your eyes. You want to drag supremacy.
I am not here to drag anything with you. Jiribia, I am here for something else.
Then, you must agree with me, right here and now, that in the circle of wizardry, I am your head. You're everything.
I cannot agree with you, because you know you lie. Jiribia, please, remember we are friends inside this.
Like I said, I am your head.
I've lived all my life believing that Anyakali killed our mother.
Sometimes we let anger and the thirst for vengeance blind us from the truth. If only we can first be sure before making conclusion, and the desire for vengeance will be less, and the world will be much more peaceful.
I shall not rest until I finally destroy Jiribia.
Jiribia is no longer mortal.
There must be a way.
Let me handle her. Follow my
Where have you been? Come right inside. The king will be happy to see you. Where did you go to? You made her worried.
My king.
Hold it.
My king, he returned.
Seize him. I said seize him and lock him up. Now.
My king, move. My king,
Move it!
Move it.
I will raise the sword of authority against you if you do not speak at once.
My name is Namzigam.
I did not ask your name. State your mission.
Liberation.
I have come that you be free. I have come that Ini Edo be free.
What nonsense do you speak?
The nonsense whose manifestation you will soon behold. Prepare, for salvation is upon us.
The problem is you do not know where you are. You shall remain here and starve to death unless you tell me what I want to hear. And hey, don't even try to make an attempt to escape, or the powers of a Lulu shall get you electrocuted.
I knew it. I knew it wasn't right for us to trust him.
Ejele, calm down.
Don't ask me to calm down.
Rather than run, we should think about the way forward. What do we do next? Onwama, you seem not to be concerned about what we are saying.
And remember, it was you who let him go in the first place.
You're right.
We go to the palace.
Abare fun kwamo. Ijinga ga gonu abage. Ide ga anyamba gogbo. Anu ba jo so. Agbanye ya ajo egbe.
That is true.
Anu ba jo so. Agbanye ya ajo egbe. Anu ba jo so. Agbanye ya ajo egbe. We are not the priests of the shrine, but we are the sons of this land. We can no longer wait, for our land is dwindling. We must take our destiny in our own hands. We must take our destiny in our own hands. Amaran! We must take our destiny in our own hands.
I drink from your skull. Appear at once! You? How dare you? Give the order, my king, and I shall have his testicles in my hand.
Today marks the end of your evil reign, Dimnobi.
How dare you? How dare you? Seize him!
Do not not lay a finger on him.
Oh, darling. You will prefer being dead to bearing the punishment for this. Mambede. Who are you?
We are defenders of Anyakali. We are the descendants of the witch hunters who reared Anyakali on the same day you were born. We are here to rid her on the age of terror.
The death that kills the dog truly doesn't let it hear its master's call. Go back to who has sent you to kill yourselves.
Submit yourself now. I hope your punishment is lesser.
How dare you? How? What do you think you have in that useless pocket of yours that can affect someone like me?
Kokoyam cannot affect her. She's not a witch.
Zigam. Ona bonye na zuri. Ulu gbawozo. Ife nji wa araboko. Ana no lola. Awon be gungu. Mama de yanko. Go. Go and complete your mission. Go and complete your mission.
Don't even try to make an attempt to escape, or the powers of the Lulu shall get you electrocuted.
Hold it! Woman!
How did you get out?
Do not be afraid of the noisy barking dog, but be wary of the noiseless, calm leopard. I told you all to wait for me.
I knew there was something about your return. Get the fool! What do you want to do?
My blood is her strength.
No, don't do it. Don't do it.
It is time for you to be free.
No.
Do it.
Don't.
Get out! Only from this spot can the bond with the sorceress be broken. And only in breaking the bond can Iwe be set free.
Stay away from him! Do not touch him.
Will you fight for someone that hurts the one you love?
Of course I do. I shall destroy the one who has hurt the one.
Good. Then I give you the honor to fight the one that hurt King Iwe. The one that you love.
Thank you very much.
What are you doing?
Do you remember Mwaho?
She was my mother, but you murdered her.
She was a fool, but you are a bigger fool.
Let him go! Else, the Busogaha right here now!
We are a special breed of benevolence and violence. Whatever you seek from us, that you shall find. Yeah!
Let my tears rain more tears.
I want you all to be calm. Stay calm. I know where they are. Keep an eye on all this. Let everybody be calm. I know where they are.
Battle the wind with Etiku. Do you have the teeth to chew? Show me if you have. Lahim, Laha, Lahim, Laha, Laha, Lahim, Lahim, Lasase, Zika, Virase.
Agon, I strongly feel that Aniakan is in the hands of the gods. Yes.
Which gods are you talking about? Our gods, of course. Is it Akaluchi that had already abandoned us? Oh, it has been giving me a lot of concern. Now, Junasi, what did we do as a people that our gods abandoned us like this? What?
Your question brings us back to what I said. Nakali might have been abandoned by the gods. But right now, as I'm talking to you, the gods are rising for us.
Yes, they need to rise for us again. Because we are ruined without the gods.
the bond being reactivated.
Thou sons of a wretched witch. What have you done?
Release her at once.
She belongs to me. Anyakali kingdom is mine. The territory is mine. Thou strength of evil.
Attack!
You don't touch the sons of a benevolent wizard.
And you, go back to the dust and come back no more. What have you turned into? You have left all that I taught you.
Why? Why are you here?
The moment to fulfill the promise I made to my good old friend has come.
Are you here to destroy me?
Chiribia, I thought you all that you know. I made you and Mbaru my wife whom you killed, and I can destroy you.
Never.
I have always been a benevolent wizard. I have never harmed anybody before. May the innocence of my blood, which I now sacrifice, haunt you forever.
Don't do it.
Today, redemption has come upon this land. One good dove must go for the wicked hawk to be destroyed. Stay in peace, my sons. The awaited and her followers must not be blamed for their actions. She must be installed as the priestess of Akaliochia. And anyone who holds their evil against them must be stricken by the gods.
Please. Don't.
Go and never come back.
I am ashamed of all the things I was being manipulated into doing. I was supposed to bring Anyakali hope and laughter, not sorrow and pain.
I really do not know what to say. But please, find it in your heart to forgive me.
You're sorry.
No.
I'm sorry. No. The wise one. You are the wicked one. You cannot do such an abominable thing. You cannot kneel for us mortals. No.
Eye of the gods, we cannot hold all that against you. We already know that all you did was not done by you.
Yes.
A wicked spirit manipulated you. We know. Thank you.
Thank you, Lord. Thank you. Thank you.
So decree the gods. The royal sword of authority has been defiled and must be purified in 7 market weeks. Until then, the sword shall remain in the great Akalioche shrine. The awaited comes to close a lineage. The lineage of my fathers has been closed. Onwama, step forward. The gods decree that henceforth the royal throne of Aniakali shall be occupied by him. Hey! I have delivered my message. I shall go back to the shrine. My maidens will serve Akalioche with me. Buso, you can't come with me. The one whom your heart beats for, the gods have granted. Go to him, for with him lies your destiny.
My king!
Shh. You have my blessings.
Anakali bueno. Anakali bueno. Bueno. Bueno.
Anakali bueno. Anakali bueno. Anakali bueno.
chosen.